and has any game, and I really like this. And now this is my brother. This is the Osmo Mickey Mouse Super Studio. I really love it. It's blue and it's super nice. So now I'm going to open it up. This is a book. So it's a Frozen book. I really like the Frozen. Look at that. That's a banana. So this is my brother's one. This says complete your Super Studio collection. And there's all of it you can complete. You need to get the iPad and then we will see if it fits. So now we're going to open this up. So it has the rubbers and pens. Since I'm only one girl, I'll only take one pen out. Here's the two pens. And here's the rubber so you can rub the drawing out. It's really soft and blue. And now this is my brother's. We're going to open the two pens. It's so hard to get out. Okay. So this is my brother's, light blue again. And here's the Ezinma. Now I'm going to write my own name before we start drawing. That's my name. I'm going to write my name today. Now we put this aside, we're going to open this one. I can't wait to see what's inside. I got the telegram. And now I got words. And now I got numbers. Look at all those things we can learn about. Numbers, telegram, and words. This is the thing that you can stand the iPad in. So you put the iPad in and then it'll stand the iPad and then you don't have to fall again and you can draw it. A is for iPad. You got a big one. I'll stand a big. Now we're going to just put my iPad in the base. And now I put my iPad in the base.
Welcome to Super Studio. How cool is that? Congratulations! Are you ready to start drawing?
Yeah.
Tap the next page at the bottom of the screen. Let's see what lines Anna and Elsa find while they're playing in the castle. In the box above Elsa, draw what she's making on your super sketchpad. Pick something frosty. Make sure all your lines are connected and the shape is closed. When you're finished, tap the green check mark to get things started. Three, two, one, kazam! Color time! In the box next to Anna, draw another magical object. It can be anything. Try using different line lengths and sizes to make something new. One. Let's color. Oh, well done. Three, two, one, kazam! Now, let's color. It looks perfect. Give a big cheer for Queen
Woo!
Elsa.
Tommy! Yay! Come clap for yourself.
Great!
My turn. My turn.
You brought Mickey to life. That's great. Next, follow the line to draw a circle for Mickey's ear. Well done. Animation domination.
Yay! Well done, Nina.
That's one, but we'll need a lot more balloons. Now erase your drawing and draw the craziest balloon ever.
That's pretty. Wow. Oh.
Great job!
It's so much fun, isn't it? Oh, this is gorgeous. Nina, what do you think about it?
I really like it. Well, that one's the funniest, and I really like it.
Swipe the screen to see how your show is coming together.
I hope you enjoyed watching us playing with the Genius Starter Kit, the Osmo Super Studio Mickey Mouse, and the Super Studio Frozen 2. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and comment down below. Don't forget to press the red button, the like button. See you in my next